We're seeing more storage space, but organized storage spaces. We're seeing built-ins coming back. We're actually seeing less furniture. You don't see dressers like you used to see dressers and china hutches and china cabinets. It's all built-ins. That's the biggest thing. And they're wanting more durable and natural materials.
Creating communal spaces, because so many people are so locked into their screens. They're being very quietly desocialized. A lot of the interior design trends, furniture-based, is very much around flexibility and pragmatic expansion of uses. And with that, I'm starting to see a resurgence of built-ins, which is interesting. I love built-ins.
When they buy something, they buy the best that they can, but they don't buy a lot. That's what we've noticed. And that's why the houses are a little bit more empty, but they do buy the best quality that they can afford. You'll see solid woods, or you'll see very clean patterns.
I'm seeing the beginning of a trend away from a disposable economy. People are learning there's a big cost to short-term, low durability, throwaway furniture. So I'm definitely seeing, more substantive materials that take a bigger beating in better materials that take a better cleaning, so that furniture is more durable. And, I think that there's a growing understanding of sustainability, that we just can't keep chucking all this stuff in the landfill and hoping for the best.
People in certain rooms very much so are making sure that they get durable, long-lasting products. They do understand that there is a definite quality level, but I would say that not a lot of them go to the really high-end quality level.
They know about the pollen, they know about the smoke, because it affects their breathing and their lungs and their allergies and things like that. But you don't notice what the chemicals are doing. If you were bringing new furniture in, air it out in the garage for about a week or two, because if you put it in right away, the house is going to smell up. And that's why kind of what we're also seeing is less upholstery, because people are afraid, like carpet, what is it collecting? What am I maintaining in the house?
The awareness of indoor air quality was certainly punctuated by COVID and people being trapped in their house. People get on the internet and start with COVID and then learn about VOCs and then learn about off-gassing. And so there's a growing sophistication in buyers making more informed buying decisions. But it's 18 months old.
If they're going to buy something, it's going to be an investment and the best quality. They're more aware of materials. You don't see the plastics 1960s decor anymore.
As people use these homes, they're a little bit more intense in their furniture, right? So they're looking at furniture that stands up better, that cleans easier. They're starting to differentiate the well-made from the not well-made, the easy to maintain versus the not easy to maintain. And that's going to change in a very good way their future purchases.
Minimalism, I think, in everything that they're doing, and it's now hitting the housing market as well as I think the furniture market. They're freer to move about, and they like that freedom. And so the houses tend to have very, very simple floor plans, very energy efficient floor plans.
They vote for the company that made the product with their dollars. So they care about the company, right? They care about that the company lines up with the quality of their product, that they stand behind it, but also that they think it's a good company, right? That they align with their ethics and morals.
I've seen people move in with next to nothing with furniture, and then 6 months later, that's about what they still have. And I usually tell people to do that. It's like, don't bring everything and clutter up your house. Live in your house for a while and decide what you really want and what you don't want.
Whether it's color or function or just cost, furniture is a much bigger decision. And I can't say that it's been made to be easy for consumers yet to find the answers to the things we've been talking about this whole time. How durable is it? How well is it made? How easy is it to clean? How responsible is the company that made it? How will it match? It's a bigger challenge than I think the marketplace is adapted to.